Hey everyone, in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to clean your baseboards easily and quickly in only a few steps. I clean these about every 3 months because I have 2 big dogs. We cook a lot, a lot of greasy food sometimes, bacon in the mornings, things like that, and the baseboards kind of get cruddy with dirt and hair and things like that. Now there's a lot of tutorials online to use special baseboard cleaners and things like that, but in my professional opinion, I wouldn't advise using those. They're expensive and you can get away with cleaning them with an all-purpose cleaner like Simple Green or 409 or things like that. So I'm going to just run you quickly through the steps I take to get my baseboards from looking like this to this. So stay tuned. So this is all I use to clean my baseboards. I usually need my vacuum cleaner, need some shop towels. If you don't have shop towels, normal towels will do, but shop towels are a little bit more durable and you don't have to use quite as many from my experience. You're gonna need a bowl to put some hot water in. You're gonna need some all-purpose cleaner. I use Simple Green, but 409 will work. You're gonna want a slightly abrasive pad. They sell SOS pads that are scratch resistant. You really wanna buy the scratch resistant ones or the non-scratch so you don't scratch your paint or anything like that. And then I normally use a standard soft sponge as well. Now if you need any of these things, I'll put links below to where you can purchase them on Amazon. Let's get to it. So step number 1, what I normally do is get my vacuum cleaner and clean up as much as you can on the baseboards. Just run it along the edge there. If you have a brush attachment, that'll work too, but this is my first step. Okay, first thing I do is add some hot water to my bowl, and you're gonna add some of your all-purpose cleaner in there. I usually do, 4 parts water to 1 part cleaner, so 75% water and 25% all-purpose cleaner. A little bit goes a long way, and that's all there is. All right, next thing I do is I just take my all-purpose cleaner and just lightly soak it, like so. All right, next is I usually take my soft sponge, soak it in my solution, and as you could probably guess, just start wiping it down. Now you can use the abrasive pad if the soft pad doesn't work. I would recommend doing the soft pad first, just to see if you can get everything off with the soft pad. But if that doesn't work, use the abrasive pad. All right, and then take your towel or shop towel and just wipe it down. Pretty easy. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to clean your baseboards quickly and easily in only a few simple steps using simple household cleaners. Again, I wouldn't advise buying expensive baseboard cleaners unless, they're really, really dirty and you can't get it off with, a general all-purpose cleaner and an abrasive sponge or soft sponge. But in my opinion, 9 times out of 10, I can get these things sparkly clean with just a standard sponge and some all-purpose cleaner. If that doesn't work, use a slightly abrasive pad. Again, make sure it's scratch resistant or non-scratch. It should say it on the packaging. Again, I'll put links below to where you can buy all these things on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it informative. If you did, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.